My name is Arouba Kabir. I'm a mental health counselor and founder for Enso Wellness. Well, let's talk about psychological impact of a divorce on an individual. When two people get together, they never think of it as a temporary arrangement, when especially the marriage happens between two people. So it's a lifelong commitment. So dissolution of a marriage is never a happy event. In my career, I have seen couples divorced legally, but not emotionally. So it's very, very emotionally painful event in one's life. And apart from the psychological impact of it, then there is legal, financial, parental, a lot of other issues one has to deal with. So just sometimes it might take years to regain that equilibrium in an individual's life. So one really has to be kind throughout the process to oneself and to another person. It's very important. As I said, divorce is not a happy or an easy event. So one might take a long time to first decide to get divorced. And then there's a lot of social stigma with it. So that emotional turmoil might be there. In my career, I have seen a lot of people going through a lot of mental health challenges, either during the process or after the process. There could be PTSD, post-trauma stress disorder. It also depends on how mutually, how easily two partners have agreed to come to an agreement to end the marriage. That also plays a major role. But most important is social isolation one feels, or a shame that I have been a failure in a relationship. I couldn't make my relationship work. And then also people exclude you from big social family events. It can only push the person towards depression, anxiety, all other emotional and then physical health issues and challenges. Sometimes people might also get addicted to alcohol, substance abuse, gambling, binge eating, stress eating, bad routine of sleep during or post this event. Everybody wants to have a coping mechanism, and if the person does not have that support or that healthy coping mechanism, one can really end up with having harmful things in their life. People who during the relationship have had that self-awareness, physical, mental, psychological, financial independence, it might be easier for them to cope. Not that they would not feel emotions, but still they can choose healthier coping mechanisms. But people who have had any kind of psychological condition or an issue or a challenge before also, they might have more of attachment style issues. They might also get more anxiety, get into depression, have difficult times to regain the balance in their professional life. So overall, I really want to tell you all, relationship is between two people. And if it is not healthy, if it is not working, if you are not growing together beautifully, it's better to part ways. People will talk, either you divorce or you don't divorce. They are going to talk, but what is more important, are you growing as an individual? So if you are someone who is going through that process or has gone through that process, please choose healthy coping mechanisms. Talk to your loved ones, talk to a professional, have better coping strategies, exercise, meditate, do journaling, learn something new, get back to your hobbies, work on your career. That is definitely going to help. And if not, please reach to a professional, get the help because you deserve it.